Ohaneze ndi Igbo mulo mekene kwa muno biko ebi na nwete video asem biko kabakwa na arụ na subscribe na our channel biko no subscribe ban una subscribe na share video ma na Facebook o ma na WhatsApp ma na Instagram because ebe anu I dey very open to everybody. You know, you may not see the video you like him and come keep watching it and link you like him. And one thing again, beginning in the video is in emotion and sentiment better because I am young here like him. I'm gonna here like him and cool than I make here like him and cause pico. Yotago Eban one no now we don't just speak because naturally you go no with him to you come banket. Just until the video like that. Banket. So because no kedi him better. A lot of people na disappointed na Obi Cubana. I don't know why or saw some boy around Moguna free how Johnny me Obi Cubana no me by it erase arms for erase hand of welcome to APC. If we benje na comment section Obi Cubana or comment section for the love of Anambra, and I called Obi Cubana the incoming governor of Anambra State. I have always said it. The incoming governor of Anambra State will be Obi Cubana. One day Anambra. Man, one thing our people fail to understand is that we allow our emotions go near do I. We are too emotional. That is why a very dark man and what a lie very cheap. We are too emotional. Obi Cubana, yes, Obal APC man as he stands now. Kede party oya has dege kamado yamba now. In order to break into this inner cartel in Nigeria. Or you own the party mother ya bang. I know you can buy an around notch and buy an remenka. You cannot take what is in a strong man hand without binding that strong man. That was the first mistake of P2B. And I will still say it loud and clear. I like in P2B. Man, I watch my videos during the election. I go P2B in the eyes of people, P2B is permitted to lead. When P2B memorial something so we buying our chicken. He is too emotional, just like some of us. And I'm still repeating it again. P2B made the wrong choice. P2B made the wrong choice. That party Oba and everything around it. Even one more P2B, I will walk away from Nigerian political system. Kada bona your career now, as it stands now. I always say that the person that will rule Nigeria, bro, P2B man win the election Nigeria, no one now 2027. P2B will not win. Because he bought everything, the odds is stacked against him. He cannot. So what are we going to do? One night walk about go APC. I am making on your bona banket. Before saying ego Obi Cubana bakitabo. Ogum nkita na ndị mmụọ atụpụrụ ọkpụkpụ n'ezi. Hapụziali ogonya na ndị mmụọ. What we are supposed to be doing is ka ọ banye godidi ya abanye. The more na abade ka ndị Igbo yenwe more opportunity. Onwere ndị Igbo na-azụ ahịa. And he say when more opportunities Obi Cubana onye nke a man okay on the APC okwele. He will use his influence in order to save our people the more. Man, because I do go emotionally attached to him, and I say Obi Cubana material to me, I believe he did everything he did for a reason. Muna gana abafu be Obi Cubana, oboni fuge munga afubero. Muna gana abeje bebia, yela ube na bedi, emari hedi anobi. As long as I am concerned, Obi Cubana one of the most respected, quiet Igbo men anyway in Nigeria today, and his voice matters. His voice matters. So for him, for that his voice to echo more, he needs to be there. Unko the decision actually take against Ndibo. Obulu no dia say okay, I'm gonna send you go to who for more senior here, but instead of he deny Ndibo every. Let us not give up on Obi Cubana yet. We should not give up on Obi Cubana yet. And then this video, call the one.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you're watching me from. I still remain your brother. Ebro TV, Onyamino Gangwa Gwa Tomune Becha. Obi Cubana, so na iya metara urezoku. Obi Cubana, you are most people they respect so much. So that yeah, all this why I book take a picture. Now I change the youth of this thing, youth of APC, this and this. I'm a to this because I want to hear no. Man, I can't for video guitar and Nasi so that yeah, we're so good. Come on, let's go here again. I'm not gonna lie for you. ifere gị na-eme m so awụ na ị nwere that although I remember so awụgịrị ihe m na-echegoro mana asị ka m kwuo okwu a maka a dị ama ama echi niile o nwere ihe m na-eche ka ị kwuo ka m wee dị sure na ị darago dị ọfa Obi Cubana wee na-achụ gị before now o nwere ihe na-akpa gị Obi Cubana before now o nwere ihe na-akpa gị kịta ime egotewu then ka ị na-aga anara ndị APC data ọfa ka ị na-aga anara data ọfa aka isi ụrụ kwana ndị rich men na-respect kwana na anyị nwa nwunu na-elekere unu anya I respect you so much. It's not one of the people now. They respect so much. But that's why I didn't have food on the Diego. If you know, I didn't believe you because some of you who put out who put us again also gain another APC that offer for. Last time I know me feel not no Cheneku. That's why I knew what I said. That's it. It's just wasting of time. Last time I know Kid and say, I never Nick Napaji and whatever for I get go see family or for a muko. I was right now to go or so natural way I go. A question in a modern case somewhere. I'm not thinking of queer. Or 1 week, you are a one door you get a go see a small to go. One door you get a go small to go. But I gave one garden. Oru so most you take a chioso gospel mo wari chioso dey ego ono gi kwuru na ade mmadu ị na-egosi ife onwe gosi na obura ihe unu na-ekwu na eme ya that is why I wey be key for organize I can never enye gi respect because many things unu na-ekwu na ade eme I'm telling you ihe na-emekwa na ataisi mbia anime short onwe ihe unu ga-eme kịta ga-agbapụ m obi again because I'm not Neri, 3 million on Neri, and Maria. Unato, Anamato, Una so una, Anamaso Mao. See jacket and a 1 room gang around. See jacket and go Obi Cubana and 1 room gang around. That is why on our way you get a push him. And go Obi Cubana room now, I swear to God. Gain another offer for. Last time I came here na Rogeni. If you are Rogeni, again, one day okay. Muru be a flag off under Apuga. And Kai, get a 1 day work be an original flag off. Wow, on one already there. The PG Asmata. On that day, your flag roll up. Already came I am not union for that day. After kicking Humphrey Anguna, on one already. The next person no now Muna give Naka. Then he Apuga one day no buy APC in again no. All right, Nana, Ego Kina will call again. Obiado Kwamma. Now the idea you want to because I'm not going to youth. In go youth in make it up, but I cannot get Kajirego number state. But it's only 15. Yes. After so go number 1 as the test man I will need land. But I'm not going to make it up. I'm going to die. I want to give money. Is now I told you cook like a key John and I got that offer. Can't go there so they can knock it out because you never work business. Yes. Never by me make it is because you never work business. Go watch and then they arrest Nasna approve wouldn't go under government. No go twice no road. A man here be to know why where get you go again a sell more. I said I want to table as because you never work your own business. Like a government rapatagi in Gobro Gassi Regonka. I'm a can nebugo. I'm a can nebugo. No, what over Koga will hear Maggie, my name. No, don't worry. I put on your name business here, rule 1 nature, and I will approve here. Only now government or can approve. Lemwe dochie. Since all the Quanaquai, now put on where. Can you make a chief since here? Ono kara ya go bugoro kai na go no nwa eziokwu mama agwa agia mama onye ozo agwa agia si so de jiraka yo ochi onwe okpueze buye onwe okpueze ebe ka ono tata ono zie kita na ga uti here ayo ka nna yo ge hapu that na nwere o ikariri ya ikariri ya ai nwa ndi na watch unu na akwakwara na ugwu ai na akwara unu ugwu ai love unu so much. So ị ga-eche okwu ma ị ma na ihe nna agwa gị na ihe nna agwa gị bụ eziokwu. Ana that offer na ị karịrị ya agazi ka gwa gị aka nwanne unu ebiro TV onye amịrị ọga nwa gị atọ mụrụ ebecha oke emesịa